I think the biggest impact for our customers will be how quickly they can do things. A lot of times we hear in sales, how fast can you do that? How quick can you get it in? And you have to tell them it's, well, 60 to 90 days or 30 days. Something like this, it's almost instantaneous. And it also puts control into the customer's hands if they need to build a connection or a path to some location. It simplifies processes. Once the device is there, you can focus on making a path rather than doing all the complex networking that's traditionally required to create circuits. MaiaEdge allows us to utilize unutilized fiber and provide services to customers rapidly, and it's a big deal to be able to use that fiber to its maximal potential. MaiaEdge gives us a whole new way to look at our existing network and gives us end-to-end information on how a circuit's performing and what possible hiccups are in that circuit. It's a wonderful new way to do troubleshooting. This technology allows fiber islands to be interconnected without traditional networking ways of doing it. It also allows our customers to have on-ramps into cloud services, rapidly deployed and very easily set up, and gives them great monitoring into health of those services in the cloud.